When on earth did you make that decision?
About a minute and a half after I was born. I figured life anywhere else was better than what I have here.
Is it something I've said?
Nah. This has nothing to do with you or anybody else. This is my own doing, just like always. It doesn't matter where I go or who I'm with. I always make a mess of things. The truth deep down inside is, maybe I don't want friends, or family, or home.
I thought you found these things here with us.
Or maybe I keep telling myself I'm trying. Either way, it's not working. Frankly, I'd like to get out of here before I completely destroy my reputation. There may still be one or two people that have a good opinion of me.